Very good morning. I welcome you all for this session. In our last English class, we learnt about the lesson The Wind on Haunted Hill. And today, we are going to learn a poem, The Listeners, written by Walter de la Mare. Walter de la Mare was born on 25th April 1873 in England. Walter de la Mare was an English poet, short story writer and novelist. He is best known for his poetry, supernatural fiction, children's literature work. The Listeners is said to be his most famous poem. Let's get started. The Listeners, page number 126. "Is there anybody there?" said the traveller, knocking on the moonlit door, and his horse in the silence charmed the grasses of the forest ferny floor, and a bird flew up out of the turret above the traveller's head, and he smote upon the door again a second time. Let's learn the meanings from this passage. Champ, bit and chewed upon noisily. Ferny means consisting of flowerless plants. Turret, a small tower that projects from the wall of a building. Meaning for smarters, knock loudly. Let me explain the poem. A lonely traveller reached a house in the forest and knocked on the closed moonlit door. The knocking echoed as there was silence all around in the deserted house. Deserted house is empty house. A bird flew up from the tower projecting from the wall of the house, perhaps frightened by the knocking. Nobody answered the traveller's knock. The traveller's horse kept chewing the grass noisily in the silence due to hunger. Let's continue. "Is there anybody there?" he said. But no one descended to the traveller. No head from the leaf-fringed sill leaned over and looked into his grey eyes, where he stood perplexed and still, but only a host of phantom listeners that dwell in the lone house then stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight to that voice from the world of men, stood thronging the faint moonbeams on the dark stair that goes down to the empty hall, hearkening in an air stirred and shaken by the lonely traveller's call. Now we can learn the meanings. The meaning for sill is a horizontal piece of timber beneath a window or a door. Perplexed means confused. The meaning for thronging is crowding. Hearkening means listening attentively. Meanwhile, there was an indication that the house has remained deserted for years. Ferns and weeds have overgrown the entire area. The traveller knocked the second time, asking if there was anybody in the house. However, no one answered this time also. When his second knock yielded no result, he became impatient and fearful. Loneliness surrounded him, and he equally became perplexed. The only possible listeners around were phantoms. Meaning for phantoms is ghost or spirit. Let me repeat. Meaning for phantom is ghost or spirit. Inside the house, a host of phantoms listened to the calls made by the traveller. The phantoms had gathered together on the stairs and wondering at the disturbance caused by a human in their peaceful existence. They listened to the voice of the traveler. There was no trace of human's voice. Hence the house remained haunted. It was also a habitation for ghosts. The traveler knocked the door the third time while his horse kept grazing under the star-studded sky. But his knocking had not been answered. The phantoms kept listening to the traveler and did not move a bit. The traveler discovered he is simply walking in the region of the dead. He mounted back on his horse and rode away. After the echoes of the hooves of his horse had subsided, the surroundings of the deserted house became submerged in total silence again. This is a memory poem. Learn all the stanzas and memorize them line by line. Children, take this as your homework. Complete it after this class is over. Also, memorize the whole poem. Hope you enjoy this poem. See you. Bye-bye.